Hello my friends and welcome to another Greek lesson with Lina. That's me. This is a pronunciation lesson, so pick up the volume and let's begin. In the Greek alphabet there are 7 vowels. Alpha, Epsilon, Eta, Iota, Omicron, Ypsilon, Omega. Is there a different sound for each one of them? Let's see. A, E, I, O, O. So, the answer is no. For the vowels of the alphabet, there are only 4 sounds. A, E, I, O. But what about writing? Is it that easy? No. Let's see. E. This is the double vowel alpha iota, a combination of alpha and iota. It is pronounced E, just like epsilon. And did you think that we are done with E? I don't think so. I. 3 more ways to write the sound I. Omicron iota, epsilon iota, ypsilon iota. So, 3 vowels and 3 double vowels all represent the sound I. This is one of the reasons, of course, that Greek spelling is so difficult. But wait a minute, there is one more sound that we didn't talk about. U. The sound U is not represented in the alphabet, so we have a double vowel for that. Omicron ypsilon. U. So, in Greek, there are only 5 basic vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Let's practice. I show you the card, you make the sound. E, I, A, I, U, O, I, E. And some examples with words. Καλά. Repeat. Καλά. 5. 5. Μήνας. Μήνας. Πιτσιρίκι. Πιτσιρίκι. Τόπος. Τόπος. Ξύλο. Ξύλο. Χώρα. Χώρα. Φούρνος. Φούρνος. Οίκος. Οίκος. Είδηση. Είδηση. Υιοθεσία. Υιοθεσία. Χαίρομαι. Χαίρομαι. So, that was it. Not that hard, right? There are a few more rules and vowel combinations that we're going to see in different lessons. Until then, keep studying, and of course, don't forget to leave your comment, subscribe and like this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye!